How to assemble a T-slot drawer. First, position the drawer back on edge with the groove at the bottom. Next, slide a drawer side onto each end of the drawer back. Be sure the grooves in the drawer sides and the drawer back line up. Slide the drawer bottom into the grooves on the drawer sides and back with the finished surface facing up. Next, separate the drawer brackets and insert them into the drawer sides. The drawer front brackets are marked RH and LH for easy identification. You may need to gently tap them with a hammer. Finally, attach the drawer front to the brackets using the screws designated in your instruction booklet. Be sure that the drawer bottom fits into the groove in the drawer front. You are now ready to attach the drawer slides and pulls.